Basta kay Sir Rojan, ibang klase. Let's go! Okay, welcome muli sa ating klase. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang Article 1784. Dito sa article na to, dinidiscuss ang tungkol sa juridical personality ng isang partnership. Kailan nga ba nagkakaroon ng juridical personality ang isang partnership? Kapag ba nagkasundo sila, meron na? Paano kung halimbawa magkasundo sila na next year pa magkakaroon ng partnership? Kailan yung partnership? Ngayon or next year? Kailan nga ba? Ready ka na? Sige, start tayo. Let's go! Ayan, sige, basahin muna natin. Article 1784. A partnership begins from the moment of the execution of the contract unless it is otherwise stipulated. So dito sa article na to, pinag-uusapan kung kailan ba nagkakaroon ng juridical personality ang isang partnership. When partnership acquires juridical personality. So kailan daw ba nagkakaroon ng juridical personality ang isang partnership? Kapag ba nagkaroon na ng execution of the contract? So general rule, the moment nagkaroon ng execution ng isang partnership contract, meron na yan juridical personality. Okay? Liban na lang kung napagkasunduan na may araw silang doon magko-commence ng operation ng isang partnership. So general rule, okay? General rule, a partnership commences to exist upon execution of the partnership contract. So upon the execution of partnership contract. So kapag nagkaroon na sila ng agreement, it can be in oral, in writing, okay? Basta nagkasundo sila, meron ng partnership yung dalawang mag-partner. So meron na silang juridical personality. Okay? Bakit? Bakit ito yung general rule? Kasi consensual nga, di ba, ang nature ng isang partnership contract. Ibig sabihin, it is perfected by mere consent. So perfected by mere consent. Okay? Halimbawa, si A at saka si B. Okay? Nagkasundo sila na magkaroon sila ng partnership, business. Tapos hindi nakasulat, verbal lang or oral. So, the moment na magkaroon sila ng execution, may partnership na sila. So, therefore, may juridical personality na yung isang partnership na yon. Sir, kahit walang SEC, kahit hindi sila registered sa SEC? Oo, kasi ang SEC ay hindi naman requisite para magkaroon ka ng juridical personality ang isang partnership. Nabanggit natin yan in the previous article. SEC is not really a prerequisite para masabing may personality ang isang partnership. Liban na lang kung halimbawa, kailangan nakasulat yan kapag may immovable property ng contributed or kaya naman real right. Kasi pag hindi nakasulat at hindi public instrument, void yung partnership. So, pero may exception. Exception, hindi on the moment ng execution, nagko-commence ang isang partnership, pwedeng kung meron silang agreement kung kailan mag-exist ang isang partnership. Okay? Except, may stipulation that a different date, okay, for the partnership to begin to exist. Yan. So again, general rule, the moment na magkasundo, may partnership, therefore may juridical personality. Basta na ano rin basta na comply lahat ng requisites ng isang partnership contract. Meron tayong contracting parties, may object, may cause, basta nandun yung mga requisites para magkaroon ng valid contract. And nabanggit din natin yun dun sa iba nating lecture kung ano pa yung mga requisites para magkaroon ng partnership contract. Okay? So, except kung halimbawa nagkasundo ang dalawang mag-partner kung kailan magsisimula ang partnership nila. Okay? Ayan. Halimbawa, si A tsaka si B. Okay? Nagkasundo sila ngayong January 1. Sabi ni A and B, okay, mag-partnership tayo. Pero ang simula natin is July 1. Okay? So dito nagkaroon ng agreement, okay? That partnership will start or will commence or will begin on July 1. Yan. So diyan nagkasundo si A at B. Okay? Pero ang start ng partnership, July 1. So July 1, commencement of partnership. So dito mag-start daw. So ang tanong natin ngayon, kailan magkakaroon ng juridical personality yung partnership nila? Kasi 'pag walang juridical personality, walang obligation, walang rights. Kasi wala pang juridical personality. So ngayon, dahil yung agreement nila ay July 1 magsisimula yung partnership, dito magkakaroon ng juridical personality ang isang partnership. Okay? Yan. Therefore, between January 1, okay, and July 1, wala pang partnership. Okay? Therefore, walang obligation or walang right ang isa't isa. So again, ulitin natin. Si A and B nagkasundo ng January 1 na magsisimula yung partnership nila ay July 1. Okay? Kailan ngayon mag-start ang partnership? O July 1. So therefore, kung kailan yung napagkasundo lang magkakaroon sila ng partnership, dun magkakaroon ng juridical personality. Okay? Therefore, between January 1 to July 1, there's no partnership yet, which means no juridical personality na nag-exist, kundi July 1 na lang or July 1 pa. Okay? So, sir, paano pag halimbawa, niregister na nila? Let's say, niregister na nila dito. Let's say, April. April 30. Niregister na nila sa SEC. Yan, SEC registered. Okay? Yan. Kahit na magkaroon sila ng registration, yung rule nag apply natin, even if the partnership is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, kasi ang ini-issue lang naman ng SEC is again certificate of recording. Okay? Hindi naman siya certificate of incorporation. Unlike corporation kasi, magsisimula ang existence ng corporation the moment na natanggap ng corporation yung kanilang articles or certificate of incorporation. Parang yun yung birth certificate or doon nagbibigay ng announcement ng SEC na, "Oops, ito buhay na 'to dahil meron na silang certificate of incorporation." Ito, kahit na yun ay naka-register na sa SEC, ang ini-issue lang ng SEC is certificate of recording, katunayan na may ipinasa sa kanilang articles of partnership. Okay? Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, dito nagsisimula ang buhay ng partnership. Okay? Ang buhay ng partnership ay nagsisimula kung kailan napagkasunduan ng mga partners. Therefore, July 1, dahil sabi nung January 1, nung ni A at B, magsisimula ang partnership nila ng July 1. Therefore, July 1 magsisimula yung juridical personality. Okay? Ayan. So, dito nagtatapos yung 1784. Simple lang naman siya. General rule, the moment magkaroon ng contract, may juridical personality na. May partnership na. Unless na lang napagkasunduan na yung simula ng partnership ay ibang taon or ibang panahon or ibang araw, doon magsisimula yung existence ng partnership at doon magsisimula yung juridical personality. So, I hope meron ako nadagdag sa inyong bagong learning na magagamit ninyo sa inyong mga klase. Kung medyo nagbilisan ka, ulitin mo ng lecture natin, I'm sure makukuha mo rin yan. Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, mag-aral kayo mabuti, mag-ingat palagi at laging tatandaan, ibang klase ka. Bye-bye!